Hey everyone, your name here. Are you looking to make money online by selling digital products? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, from understanding what digital products are to creating, marketing, and selling your own. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars selling both my own digital products and other people's products. I'm not here to just tell you things you can find for free online. I'm here to share valuable, actionable information based on my experience. This video is packed with information, but it's not overwhelming. You can come back and rewatch it anytime to refresh your memory. Here's a taste of what you'll learn. Understand what digital products are and the different types available. Conduct proper market research to validate your product idea. Learn how to create and structure your digital product to solve your audience's problems. Discover design and branding tips to make your product look professional and trustworthy. Set up your own online store optimized for conversions. Determine the right price for your product based on market research. Implement free and paid marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Free versus paid traffic methods. Don't worry if you don't have a big budget. I'll show you both free and paid traffic methods to market your product. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, there's something valuable here for everyone. Share this video with anyone you know who might be interested in creating and selling digital products. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, what you'll actually learn in this course. Module 1. Understanding digital products. We'll break down what digital products are and explore the various types you can create. I'll even walk you through creating one together. Module 2. Market research and idea validation. Skip the guesswork. Learn how to conduct proper market research to ensure your product idea has a real audience. Module 3. Creating and structuring your product. We'll go through the process of planning, structuring, and creating your digital product to provide maximum value to your customers. Module 4. Design and branding. Discover the importance of design and branding in influencing sales. I'll show you the tools you need to create a professional-looking product. Module 5. Setting up your online store. Learn how to set up your own online store optimized for conversions, turning visitors into paying customers. Module 6. Pricing your product. We'll explore how to price your product strategically, considering market factors and competitor pricing. Module 7. Marketing your product. The big reveal. Here you'll learn free and paid marketing strategies to get your product in front of the right audience. Bonus: scaling up your business. For those who want to take things to the next level, I'll share some bonus tips on scaling up your digital product business. Remember, this is just the beginning. By taking action and implementing the strategies you learn here, you can create and sell your own successful digital product and start making money online. Let's get started.